White chocolate McNut cookies aren't new kids on the block, but I'm a McNut toffee girl. It's from that love that these cookies were born. The crunch of the macadamia nuts, the velvety feel of the white chocolate balanced with the buttery richness of toffee. Watch out everybody, I'm going in. So grab a cup of hot cocoa, it's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. To your mixing bowl, add 1 stick of softened butter and 2/3 cup of sugar and mix together until fluffy for about 3 minutes. Add 1 large egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix to combine. If you're using a stand mixer, make sure to scrape the sides and bottom of the bowl to make sure that everything's mixed in. To 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, add a ½ teaspoon of baking soda and give it a stir. Add the flour mixture to the bowl and mix until the dough forms. Then add 1 cup of chopped macadamia nuts, ½ a cup of white baking chips, and ½ a cup of chocolate Toffee Bits, and give it a stir until it just comes together. Scoop the dough onto a lined cookie sheet about 2 inches apart and bake for 11 to 13 minutes. Allow them to cool for a few minutes on the cookie sheet before transferring to a wire rack to set the rest of the way. White chocolate toffee McNut cookies are like warm hugs from the oven. The rich and buttery flavors, along with the crunch of subtle McNuts, are perfect together, and each bite is packed with crunchy, chewy deliciousness. They freeze well when wrapped up, so if you can't control yourself like me, this will let you enjoy them for months to come. For the full printable recipe, head over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the love with your family and friends.